guys, this is West Wendy, and today I want to give you a little quick tip how you can make your daily horse life a little easier, especially for small people or kids or people with big horses. This is going to be very helpful for y'all. So I just want to show you how you can bridle up your horse without reaching up high. So what you have to do is you just put your hand in between the ears of your horse, and then you put a little pressure on them, and as soon you keep the pressure, and as soon as they drop the head a little bit, you release the pressure and take your hand away. And then you go again, put a little pressure. He lowers his head, so I take my hand off. And you do this until you have your horse in the position how you want it. And then it's very easy. Come on. No, he doesn't want to. Come on. Come on. Oh. Again. You put your hand in between the ears, give a little pressure. He drops his head, so I take my hand away. And I go again, put a little pressure. He drops his head, so I take my hand away. And that's how you can easily bridle up your horse. There you have it, guys. It took me a few tries, but he lowered his head for me. He let me do it. And when you keep on working on it every day, eventually you get to the point where you just put your hand above him or just lay it there and he's going to lower the head for you. So if you like my video, make sure you subscribe to my channel. So your West Wendy knowledge for the day is a horse in German means Pferd. So say it with me, Pferd. Alright guys, bye bye, see you next time.